The global stationery and printing industry is going green. But traditional metal wire binding? It makes paper recycling a nightmare. It's time for a 100% eco-friendly solution. Meet the innovative paper ring binding machine from Kylin Machine Company. Designed for modern manufacturers, this machine replaces traditional metal wires with high-strength paper rings, making your notebooks, calendars, and catalogs completely recyclable. Let's see it in action. Our machine ensures seamless, high-speed operation. The paper ring material is fed, perfectly aligned, and smoothly pressed into the pre-punched holes. It delivers stable production capacity at up to 800 books per hour, ensuring your production line runs efficiently and profitably. And the final product? Absolutely premium. The paper rings are incredibly durable. You get the same 360-degree page turning and 180-degree lay flat experience as metal wire, with a smooth, child-safe edge that your clients will love. Upgrade your binding process and meet the global demand for sustainable products. Contact Kylin Machine Company today to learn more about our paper ring binding machine. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and visit our website for more packaging and printing solutions.